Welcome back to River Funsies. On this episode, we're going to talk about what you need to do if you catch a big fish and you think it might be a record fish. So, had the good fortune of this young man who is part of the collective catching a pretty big warmouth, and you have to have a keen eye to recognize a warmouth when you see one. It looks like a perch, but with a very big mouth. So it's important to look on the Texas Parks and Wildlife website and find out where the registered scales are. There's only certain places you can take your fish to be registered for the purposes of becoming a state record or water body record, depending on how big it is. And Cabela's in Buda is one of those places. So the fish was taken by the skilled hands of the people who work at Cabela's, and there's the registered scale. And this place does have the paperwork for you on site to fill out to send to the state. I'm not sure about the other ones, but if you look at the Parks and Wildlife website, there's contact information for the other registered scales around the state to measure and weigh the fish. They probably have the paperwork too, but you want to be sure. And they measure the fish, they weigh the fish, and in this case, the fish was lucky because although it was dropped on its face, it did get returned safely back to the river. So this is an example of good sportsmanship. And once the paperwork is filled out, drop that fish back in the river, wait about 2 months, and boom, you are recognized. So congratulations, Robbie. Great job. And here's some information from the website about the weigh stations and the rewards and other things you can get recognized for catching big fish in the state. Check it out. If you want to be an elite fisherman, there's an avenue to do that. So please like, share, and subscribe. We'll have some new videos soon. Have a good one.